Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice math Olympiad algebraic challenge, and here we have 7 to the power of n plus 49 to the power of n plus 343 to the power of n equals to 155. So here we solve this problem for the values of n. So the very first thing we are going to do is here first we rewrite the given equation as, so this is 7 to the power of n plus we write this 49 as 7 square and its whole power n, plus we write 343 as 7 cubed and its whole power n equals to 155. So in the next step we use here the nice exponential law, and we can just interchange these two exponents. So we write it as 7 to the power of n and its whole square, plus here we again interchange these two exponents and we write it as 7 to the power of n and its whole cubed equals to 155. So in the next step we convert this exponential equation into the cubic form, so that we will take y equals to 7 to the power of n. So now we substitute the value of y in the above equation, and we will be written as y plus, so when we put here it will becomes y square, and when we put here it will becomes y cubed equals to 155. So now we rearrange the equation and we move the 155 on the left hand side, and it will be written as y cubed plus y squared plus y minus 155 equals to 0. So it will becomes cubic equation, and now we can solve this cubic equation by using the synthetic division. So in order to use the synthetic division, first we need to find the one solution of this equation. So now we find the solution by inspection. So first we put at y equals to 1. So when we put y equals to 1 here, it will becomes 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus 155 equals to 0. So it will be equals to minus 152 equals to 0, but it is not possible. Similarly, you will check at y equals to 2 and at y equals to 3, and so on. So when we put here at y equals to 5, so y equals to 5 satisfied this equation, and we check it here, it will becomes 5 cubed plus 5 squared plus 5 minus 155 equals to 0. So this will be equals to 125 plus 25 plus 5 minus 155 equals to 0. And now we sum up these equations, then you get here 155 minus 155 equals to 0. So it will becomes 0 equals to 0. So this shows that y equals to 5 satisfies this equation, and now we can use here the synthetic division. So in order to use the synthetic division, now first we write the coefficients of this cubic equation, and we know that the coefficients of this equation are the coefficient of y cube, y square and y are 1, and the constant is minus 155. So we write it here 1 minus 155, and we find the root of given equation, it is 5. So first we write this term as it is, so it will becomes 1. We multiply this 1 by 5, it will becomes 5, and we add these two. 1 plus 5 is 6, and 6 multiplied by 5 is 30, and 1 plus 30 is 31. 31 multiplied by 5 is 155. So when we subtract, add these two, we get its remainder is 0. So now we can write here depressed equation. So our depressed equation are y square plus 6y plus 31 equals to 0. So we can write the quadratic equation from these coefficients, and it is called the depressed equation. And now we move towards to solve this depressed equation. So here we first check that is this quadratic equation has real roots or not by using the discriminant formula. So that here first we write the coefficients of this equation, and we have a equals to 1, b equals to 6 and c equals to 31, and our discriminant formula is delta equals to b squared minus 4 times of ac. And now we can put the value of a, b and c here, and you see that it will become 6 square minus 4 times of 1 into 31. So 6 square is 36 and 4 times of 31 is 124. So when we subtract 36 minus 124, then you get the value of delta equals to minus 88. So here you see that it is less than 0. So if our delta is less than 0, it means that it has no real root. So we can just write here it has no real root. So if it has no real roots, then we rejected this case, and we have only one value of y, and this value of y is equals to 5. So we write the value of y is here. So this is the value of y only. So now we have only one value of y, and we take our y equals to 7 to the power of n. So now we back substitute the value of y equals to 7 to the power of n here. So this equation implies that 7 to the power of n equals to 5. So now we can solve this equation and we get the value of n. So in order to find the value of n, we need to take the log on both of the sides. Then we can take log of 7 to the power of n equals to log of 5. So here in the left hand side we use the property of logarithm, and we move this n to the front of this log, and we write it as n times of log 7 equals to log 5. So here we move this log 7 to the right hand side, and it will be written as log of 5 divided by log of 7. And now in the next step we use the calculator in order to find the values of these logs, and you can just easily find the values of log 5 and log 7. So here when we use the calculator, and you can get the value of log 5 is equals to log 5 equals to 0.6989, and the value of log 7 equals to 0.8450. So here we put the value of log 5 and log 7 in this equation or in this fraction. You get n equals to 0.6989 over 0.8450. So here again we use the calculator, and when we divide these two values, then you get the value of n equals to 0.8271. So this is the final value of n, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.